Hello, in front of me I've got HONOR X5c Plus. In this video I'll show you how to transfer data from old phone. In the beginning, let's go to settings of your smartphone and go to system updates. Device clone. Select this is new device. Allow. And now select old device type. You can select HONOR devices, other Android devices or Apple devices. Install device clone on the old device. Tap next. And now use the old device to scan QR code for connection. Once you scan it, smartphones will be connected and then you can clone other device to this device. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.